What's up, guys? What's up, guys? What's up, guys? It's Meaty Mike. Meaty Mike. Meaty Mike. Meaty Mike. Meaty Mike. All right, all right, all right. Bah, bah. I smoke hash all the time. I do whole hash, but I definitely prefer a spiral cut hash. Lucy, I'm home. We got ourselves a cooter. Go team. Get yourself some gloves. Beat it up. Spread it out. Oh yeah. Rub it on down. Get both hands in there. Oh yeah. I'm gonna get messy, that's okay. Rub it on your hands, rub it on your dough. Feel that cream cheese and mayonnaise squeezing, going through your hands. Love it. I'm gonna be honest with you, I have no idea what I'm doing.